Hello, welcome back. My name is Raul Diaz. I am an amateur animator and I post whenever I find a problem and I can't find the problem on the internet. So let's start off. I'm going to create a new project and let's call it Mountain. Create project. Okay, so we have our scene. Now you're having some problems, so I'm just going to go to the asset store. Type in blacksmith, just because we need a scene that I know has issues. And then I'm just going to import this. Okay, so we've imported the blacksmith environment. Okay, I apologize for that. We had some technical difficulties. I had to reload the scene, as you can see. So this error is inconsistent LOD naming, LOD1 found, but no underscore LOD0. Unity renders LOD0 first, then LOD1, 2, 3, and so forth. If it can't find 0, it's going to error out like this and stop your compiling. Double click, we find out that it's the tower default state. LOD1 is what it could find. So we go to our Internet Explorer, search for tower underscore default, and we can see it right here. Now let's go to open file location. And you can see it has the LOD1, 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 but no LOD0. So we control and click, copy, go to desktop, paste them, and we just simply rename with LOD0. We'll do this 3 times. And the reason we're copying is because if we error, then we still have the originals sitting there. And then we go back and we paste. And get rid of that. And we can see that the scene begins compiling. Okay, so just simply restart the scene and everything should be great.